Type your text. Add a layer mask to your text layer. Make sure the mask is selected. Select the gradient tool. Make the foreground color black and the background color white. Select the foreground to background gradient. Select the linear gradient. Drag up over the text to create the fade effect. Change the blending mode of the text layer to dissolve. If you select the layer mask, you can still adjust the fade effect. If you select the text layer, you can adjust the text. And that's how you create this effect. Check the link in the description for more Photoshop text effects.